Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. If you ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, hey boo, what it do? So in today's video, just as the title and the intro says, self-care can be whatever you want it to be. So that's what we're going to make it today. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video and let's get in. So first thing that I'm going to do is hair care, and I'm starting off with my black tea rinse. So as you guys can see, my hair is very light. Okay, my hair in itself is very light and it also sheds a lot. So I did get it up on YouTube and did my research and whatever, and I realized that people said that black tea rinse could help you with shedding. It has good reviews. It has a lot of people trying it. So I decided that I was going to try it today for myself. So that's just what I did. I went ahead and boiled some black tea, waited for it to cool, and then I put it in a spray bottle. And now I'm just going ahead and spraying that all over my hair and my scalp, literally just making sure that my hair is fed with the black tea. And I'm gonna go ahead and just leave this for it to sit in my hair for about 45 minutes because the lady that I watched, that's exactly what she said. And yeah, so after I'll come back, I'll show you guys what it looks like, but that's literally all that I'm doing for the first part of today's self-care day. Okay, and then now I'm gonna go ahead and also do some face mask. I figured while I wait for my black tea situation to work, and while it's gonna be in for 45 minutes, I might as well put on my face mask. So I'm gonna put on my face mask, and whenever I put on my face mask, I always cleanse, tone, and then I put on the mask. I find that that's the best way to do your face mask because you want to give yourself like a pre-cleanse and then toning to balance the skin's pH, bring it back to normal, and then you go ahead and apply your mask. Also for today, or the mask that I'm going to be using today, is the pink clay mask from Pearlessence. I love the brand Pearlessence. I love their serums. This is the first time that I'm trying their mask, so I'm going to be using that. So like I said, I tone before I do my mask, so that's just what I'm doing. And then I'll go ahead and apply my mask, and then I'll wait for it to do the works, do what a mask is supposed to do. I think that after my mask, I'll actually go ahead and do some underarm care. Okay, ooh, sounds gross, but we need to do it. A girl needs to take care of herself. So for hair removal, I use the Nair hair removal cream. I pretty much stuck to that stuff since I found it. I don't remember the last time that I shaved. It's very convenient, it's very fast. So that's just all I do. I use that, apply it, wait for 3 minutes, and then I use a tissue to take it off. I was going to take my shower anyway, so usually I'll just head over into the shower and then wash it off. That's what I do. But I just wanted to use a tissue to take it off, and then I'll head over into the shower and then do what's supposed to be done in the shower. Okay, so I'm just applying the cream, the hair removal cream, and depending on how thick your armpit hair is or whatever, you leave it for between like 3 to 5 minutes, and then you take it off. This stuff works like magic, as you guys will see. It works like magic, works like a charm. Love it. Okay. And now I'm actually gonna follow up with a protein treatment. So the black tea rinse, it dries out your hair because it's supposed to prevent shedding. So it sort of like puts your hair together. See, my hair was feeling really dry. The lady said it on YouTube. She said your hair was going to be dry, and that's exactly how my hair felt. So she recommended that you follow up with some kind of moisturizing treatment or protein treatment. And I had plans of doing protein treatment anyway, so I'm going to follow up with some protein treatment. I didn't really show the recipe for the protein treatment, but it's pretty much just yogurt, some oil, and then also some egg. That's literally all I used for my protein treatment. I also got that formula from Google. See, this day self-care was a lot more DIY, affordable, you know, just something to make me feel good. I just wanted something that was going to make me feel good, just because the previous week I was going through a really bad toothache, and after the toothache was going away, or like literally after it faded away, I wanted to, you know, do something to make me feel nice again, something to make me feel like myself again. So this was just all I was doing. Now I'm going to go ahead and just take off my face mask because it's been a while. Okay, it's a man mask, so I'll just use a warm towel. I also love to use a warm towel. I was giving myself spa vibe, okay, like what you get when you know, go to the spa or go for a proper facial, you know. So after the mud mask, I'll also follow up with a gel mask or a hydrating mask, because you know a mud mask is basically mud, pore clarifying, you know. It literally cleanses everything and can also leave your skin feeling really dry. So I actually followed up with some cooling gel mask, and this is going to give me hydration, bring the moisture back, you know, give me, you know, a little bit of, make me feel nice again. So that's just all I'm doing, and then I'll leave that on also for 10 minutes, and then I'll head into the shower. Right now, what I want to do is show you guys the things that I'll use in the shower. This is my DIY coffee body scrub, or body coffee scrub, whatever. It's just made of coffee, brown sugar, and coconut oil. This stuff is so nice, makes me feel really nice, and you know, all of the good stuff. It just really what's it called, exfoliates really nicely. And then I'll also do my pedicure, in-shower pedicure, and then I'll use my in-shower moisturizer. Showed you guys that stuff a lot of times. And then after, what I'm doing is just cleaning my brushes, because the next day was a Monday and I needed my brushes to do content. So I'm just cleaning my brushes, making sure that it's all nice and clean. Okay. And then on my self-care days, I have something that I call comfort food. So I went ahead and made myself some really nice chipotle rice, in my opinion. Okay, love that. It tasted so good. And later in the evening, I just put on some eye mask, just to relax me. And I ended off my nights with some Netflix. I didn't really show that part, but I literally watch Netflix every time. So I just went upstairs and had a good night's sleep. So that is literally going to be it for the video. I hope that you guys liked it. Like I said in the beginning, self-care can be whatever you choose to make it. So it's your decision what you want to make your self-care look like. And on this day, this is what I wanted my self-care to look like. So I hope that you guys like it, and please subscribe so that you become a member of the family. Okay, I'd love that for me and for you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.